once we implement the KPI for our organization, so every staff would have their KPI target, and of course then the staff will give the feedback of what are their achievement based on the target measures. So everybody have their own target and the current achievement, and we actually will know the gap between the target and the achievement. That gap could be for the whole company, or for the whole department, or for the various perspective like financial perspective, internal process perspective, customer satisfaction perspective, or the staff perspective, for example. So we can analyze all these gap, and then from that analysis we actually can do something about it. Either we revisit the KPI if the KPI we think it is wrong, or we talk to the staff to look at the gap and take initiative how to reduce the gap. So that is how we analyze the KPI performance.